Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So much thank you for showing your so much love and support to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon for more notifications. Actually, I have got a bulk order of 100 scrunchies, so I thought of sharing the journey with you from start to end. So stay tuned, watch this video till the end, and you'll get lots and lots of help from this video.